Sanam ko Johar.
Johar ge. Inyag nyutum do Adya.
Inyag nyutum do Aditri.
Sagun na Ram Noah channel te.
Sanam ko Johar. Alinya nyutum do Jhadeswar Murmu. Ar ale do Ottawa Canada rele tahena. Ar janam atu do Odisha ponot. Ar jilla do Moyurbhanj. Ar block tale do Murda. Ar atu utar do huyuk kana Bhatchotor.
Johar ge. Inyag nyutum do Aditri Murmu.
Johar ge. Inyag nyutum do Adya Murmu.
Johar ge, inyag nyutum do Lilabuti Murmu.
Ale ma disom bahare disom rele tahen kana. अच्छा ताहले नोआ दिसोम बाहर दिसोम रेन जहाँ के संताल को मेना को ताबना उनको को सला हो मिटेंग गांवता बनाव लगी ले छुटो कना ओना खातिर ते संताल इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन मिटेंग ले रजिस्ट्रेशन का ओना दो यूएस टेक्सास रे रजिस्ट्रेशन हुई कना आर नोआ संताल इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन बनाव रना उहर दो नोआ खातिर हुई ना जे अब जहाँ के बाहर दिसोम रे संताल वो मेना को उनको को मिटेंग बोन नोआ गांवता भीतर बन तोल दो को साउते अब मिटेंग संताल आइडेंटिटी साउते अब अरिचली रोड ऑल ओना को चेलकर बन साब दोहया साब दो कते अब गिद्रे को चेलकर बन एम चाला को ओना को गे उहर कते नोआ संताल इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन ले बनाव का आर नोआ संताल इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन रना हम मिटेंग कमी होरा ले दोहो का जे ऑल चिकी संताली ऑल रोल ओना को अबरन गिद्रे को बन चेदा को ओना हिसाब ते अलिन हो नुकु हुडिन गिद्रे को जहां मेना को उनको हो ऑल चिकी लिन चेदा को कना नोआ ऑल चिकी क्लास दो गिद्रे को ताहन कना कनाडा खोजा अमेरिका खोजा कतार खोजा आर किछु नितो हो अबो भारत दिसोम को हमको सेलेक्ट कना आर नोआ को कमी गे नोय किछि हुइना मोने तुरी हाट गान हुइना ले कोरा हुइया अडी नपाय गे गिद्रे को चेद दिया आर ako हो कुसी को बुझे नोआ संताली क्लास रे जॉइन करते नोआ को गे आले हो नोटे नोआ संताली इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन पाटा को दो कुरुमुटु ले छुटो कना
Ol chiki lin chedo kana.
Adi napay lin wuju a.
Hoy ado gidra ko nitong ma onage chedok lakti kana rod ko all ko onage na kurumutu le chhutew kana ar bititi kana class na every sunday kana nate ma chuti din to ine gelo gelo dohoy ya jana ka ki jete ko join dare ma ar na do online tege nitong ma onage possible kana online tege ko kora ya marang se aro na video ko le upload a chet ko activity ko kora e gidre ko ona hisab te le lay sodora pe ar adigan ka kukuli tahe kana ale upurum ko barete ona tena le te indle lay sodora pe
Anshul, Anushka, everybody?
Johar, ina anukum do Anshul Indo doha katakon.
Johar, ina nyutum do Anushka Turu. Indo dohare.
Okay, ठीक है. और हमारी नाव पे हम है कि ना सनत Bangalore, India. Sanat, you can introduce yourself. Sanat English, please, okay?
He is Bangalore.
अच्छा, good job, हाँ, अच्छा. Okay, इतना से सनत करना चाहिए. Okay, करना है. Next से कितनी मार पे जाओ. सनत है जी. Okay. Order from the next. Okay, Bhubaneswar from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Ladies, बेटी. You can introduce in English if you cannot say in Sanskrit, fine.
Johar, ina nitumda Vaidehi Soren. Johar, ina nitumda Jayanti Soren.
Okay, can I? जितो रखना चलो जितो खाएंगे चलो वेलकम टू देम वेदी संगत आबोन मानथनाले नितो चिची कादे नितो युगान करावा सर खन निहोले सरैया युगाले करावा आजो you guys can just watch us, okay? Okay, चलो जितो मान टीम पे जितो get stand up everybody please stand up मांगे
Sikatu. Darukatu. Muduratu. Muduratu. Endakatu. Johar. Johar.
चलो एक बार जोहार बोल I think Vedhi and Janvi, we're going to start with Neha. So now we're going to start.
little bit more.
You pick. You can join us, Veda. Sana, if you want to join, you can join with us. Aage baje. Mislate.
No asli pun pahawa mane read some words, simple words. So those are just made out of 15 alphabets. Who can read this first word? Let's see who can read. Nikki, can you read? So this is Johar. You see always you say Johar. See Johar.
Okay,
See
so
that?
there. Read.
And second one is little lengthy, but maybe Adya can try. Can you try, Adya?
Sir, how?
Good. Yeah. So next one. This one, who can try? Anshul. Hola. This is hola is yesterday. In Santal we call hola.
Let's go
This
to
is sakam.
Samandal.
Sorry, Saka.
No, your sari is different word. Sakam is like leaves. Santal adijul kon use another holong. We make all these pancake, leto, pitha. Amalakan jinis pon banawa holong khoja. This is a holong. If you guys heard about this word holong, made out of the rice flour, the holong. Then what about the next one? Every day you are learning some animal's name. You should be able to.
Hathi.
Yeah, this is hathi. Everybody after you, before you brush or while you brush or maybe when you comb your hair, and that kind of thing you use. This is called arsi. Arsi is mirror.
Arsi.
Yeah, arsi. And the last one. This is called mala. Mala is a necklace. Mala. See, that's a very simple word I have kept. See, it is M-A-L-A. Mala.
Mala.
Yeah, mala. So, did you guys feel it? You felt it's kind of hard to recognize the alphabet and read how it's going?
It was hard because then I got found out what the letters were quickly.
Oh yeah, so that's what I'm saying, because we are used to English alphabet. So you know, when we study these all chiki, we need to get our brain back to all chiki also. You know, that's how we learn, because unless we train our eyes, it's hard to read. So that's what we have to.
I think-
And you can also practice. You know, try to write your name, or maybe write Santal word, whatever you find, or you know. That you can, because you already have that 15 alphabet, you can write it. So anyway, so today tehen chet bon chike ar mone gotang next 5 alphabet bon cheda, like we will learn. So this is the first next 5 alphabet. This is u, uch, ud, un, ui. Right? U, uch, ud, un, ui. Yeah. So this is how you practice when you write things. So let me write it on the board so that you can. So we'll start with U. So this is a line. First you draw it another line like that V, but it's not exactly like that. So a little bit of slant line, then carve, and again draw it this way. So it's just like a line and carve and bring it back. So this is U. Then uch, we will write U, CH, that stands for C. So uch is uch. You can turn it around like that, make another line here and little bit of slant line and connect it with a curve here. So this is uch. That stands for C, uch. So ud is just like a mushroom. You have to start here, go all the way, just like a little heart there. You can make it, and get one line here, and stuck. This is kind of stuck, mushroom stuck. So this will make ud. Start like that. Yeah. So this is how the ud. Un. That's actually just like for N. So un. Yeah, you can start like this. Just make like a V here, V. Then you make a curve like that, little longer. This one yeah, like that. So this should be un. You make a little curve here, then you turn it other way around.
It's like a upside.
So this is how we write the ui. Weekly at least twice you practice. So that's how sanam ko napai ra tahan pe adi sakto olok pe
Like and subscribe alo pe hilina.
noa channel jabite noa channel nyel lagi te aima sarhaw ar subscribe pe ar like share comment pe
Ay masarha.
aima sarhaw.